Hello, guys. If you are a copywriter who doesn't have any money to buy a course or mentorship but really wants to get good at copywriting, then watch this video till the end because I'm going to show you how to get good at writing copy in the next 30 days without spending a single penny on courses and mentorship. This is you in the day one as a newbie copywriter who doesn't know how to persuade people, and this will be you after 30 days, a 8-year copywriter who knows how to persuade people. So, before we continue, I will tell a little bit about my backstory. In the middle of the 2024, I was in the exact same place as you. No money, no network, no one to teach me. All I had was this 3-year-old Lenovo laptop, an internet connection, and myself. I had no choice but to figure out everything on my own. This was me literally in 2024, back in 2024, working 12 hours a day, waking up 4 in the morning and directly get back to work. And this is my old laptop, by the way. And fast forward today, I worked with multiple six-figure brands and bought myself a brand new MacBook Air M2. See, this is my brand new MacBook Air M2 and went from a 2 out of 10 garbage copy with the help of AI to a consistent 6 out of 10 copy without relying on AI, which can get results for my clients. Now, a lot of you may ask or think, what? Only 6 out of 10 copy? The answer is yes. You cannot directly go from 2 out of 10 copy to 8 out of 10 copy. You have to go there step by step from 2 out of 10 copy to 4 out of 10 copy, then from 4 out of 10 copy to 6 out of 10 copy, and then from 6 out of 10 copy to 8 out of 10 copy. Even the guru you see online, they write 7 or 8 out of 10 copy most of the time. Why? Even the marketing god David Ogilvy couldn't write 10 out of 10 copy every single time. So, if you came here expecting to learn how to write perfect 10 out of 10 copy, then click off this video because this video is not for you. This video is for the people who genuinely wants to get good at copy step by step, not for the people who wants to go from nothing to a god of copywriting. Okay, so let's get into the real stuff. Number one, utilize the free things. Read books, watch videos. It's literally free. There are thousands of videos about copywriting on YouTube. You can literally learn everything for free. First, you can start with fundamentals, then gradually after you learn how to persuade people, then you can learn how to write different types of copy like email copy, ad copy, sales pages, VSLs, etc. Just pick one video per topic and watch it. When I say watch, please don't get stuck in the loop of watching one video after another. Watch with intention. Like, I want to get good at writing emails, so let me watch a video on how to get good at writing emails. And the most important thing you have to do is take notes and apply what you learned immediately, because this is the number one mistake I've seen in copywriter, that they will watch a video and they will jump on to the next one or they will do something else. So they literally forgot what the video is about after some times because they don't even take notes and apply the things what they learned immediately. So this is the number one mistake. So don't do it. Just take notes and apply the things what you learned immediately. Same with the books. You have to take notes and apply the things what you learned immediately. Because reading books doesn't make you good at copywriting. You will learn more by writing 100 pieces of copy than by watching 100 videos. Okay, so write a lot. And that brings me to the point 2. Just write copy. Write, just try it. It's okay to stare at a blank Google Doc and struggle to write because it's not only you. Every good copywriter struggled in the beginning. It's just a part of the process. You have to get uncomfortable, but you will figure it out. Just start small. Just write one piece of copy a day, then increase the volume as it gets easier. Okay? Number 3, study other good copy. This is where the magic happens. This one habit will make you so good that you will start thinking and speaking in copywriting naturally. So go to social media and sign up for the email list of big online gurus you already follow. Study their emails, their sales page, their funnels, even their YouTube scripts. Break them down. At first, it takes time to understand how to study good copy, but that's okay. It takes repetition. It's all part of the game. So, if you do these 3 things for the next 30 days, I bet you will get so much better at writing copy. So that's the end of the video. I hope you like this video and it helps you a lot. And to make everything easier for you, I put together a free PDF with the exact videos and books that helped me to go from 2 out of 10 garbage copy to a 6 out of 10 consistent copy. So if you want that, I drop the link in the description. You can go and check out if you want. Okay? And if you have any questions, feel free to drop in the comments or message me on Instagram. I will reply all of you. So that's the video, man. See you in the next video.